Hello, mathematicians. I have found a really cool new app that I want to share with you on my computer. So we're going to make another number path today. I've got my collection here that you should have. I'm going to turn it that way so that you have your ones, your fives, and your tens that you also used from yesterday. And we're remembering that two fives was the same length as one of the tens, right? And that five of the ones were the same length as one of the fives. But I found something cool. So you're going to work along with those, and we're just going to make some number paths. But I'm going to work a little bit with this. So what I found is something to represent on the screen tens. So here's a 10. Okay. Fives and ones. So what you can see is that if we counted them, there'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See how that 10 is just as long as 10 of these ones. And that then this 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is half as long as the 10. So I'm going to use these to build a number path and then flip back and forth between this number path and show you how I would turn that into a number line. And we're going to see if we could make, you guys are going to make the number 50 or a number path as long as 50 a few different ways today. If you already did several ways yesterday, you could do a number path that lands exactly at 100 today. See if you could do that one way or maybe more ways. For me, we are going to do this. So, whoops. I am going to, I had to hide that. Okay, so first I'm going to turn this so that I can turn this into a number path. So if this was my 0, so far I've made a path as long as 10. Okay. Next, I'm going to put a 1 on. Well, first I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that on the number line. So here's my path so far. I'm actually going to move it down a little bit. And this is my number line page. So I'm going to pick up a pen right here. And I'm going to use it to circle the very beginning of my path to mark where I started. And that so far, my path is 10 long. Actually, even going to put a square around that to show that so far my path goes 10 spaces. Made a wiggly 10 there, but I want to get, for you guys, you want to get all the way to 50 with your number path at least. If you did that a few times yesterday, different ways to get to 50, like I said, you can go to 100. All right, so there's my first part of it. So next I'm going to actually put 3 1. Actually, I'm going to put 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now my path is this long. I'll pick up a different color. So now I've gone another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my path is 14 long. So I actually did 0 plus 10 plus 1 more. Whoop, that's supposed to be a plus 1. Plus 1 more. Plus 1 more. Plus 1 more. So I'm up to 14. So let's see if we can get there a little quicker. So in your head, just think right now, if you want to challenge yourself with your thinking, how many more steps do you think it's going to be until I get to 50? So let's see. What's going to happen when we're at 14 and I add a 10 to my number line? So make a prediction about where are we going to be. So it's 10 more. Let's go back. I want you to think about it. Once I do a 10 jump from this 14, where will we be? Okay, so I'm going to go plus 10. Whoop. Gonna be at, made a wiggly line. We are almost halfway to 50. So now I'm at 20. We are at 24 already. What's going to happen when we go to here? From 24, we're going to make our path 5 longer. From 24, we're going to go 5 more. 5 more. Let's do yellow. From 24, say 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Going to do a 5 jump. And we're going to be at 29. What would happen now? From 29, got that one more. Gonna do a plus 1. So now we're at 30. Okay, I want you to think in your head, how can I get there the quickest way possible, all the way to 50? So what should I pick up here to get there as quick as I can? So far we went 0 to 10, and then 11, 12, 13, 14. And then 10 more got us to 24. 5 more got us to 29. And now we're at 30 spaces long for our number path. So the quickest way for us to get there would be to put 2 more 10s on our number path. Okay. And this is just one of the paths. So that is actually a 10 and a 10. So I'm just going to put that on there from 30. And the colors, I'm just using any colors as I go. So from 30, 10 more gets us to 40. And then, yep, we did it. 10 more than that gets us all the way to our target. That was 50. Okay. So I forgot to put a little square around this one when I landed there. So really what we did was an equation that added lots of add ends together. And it was like this: 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 10 plus 10 more equals 50. Not the 51. I'm just going to go all the way just around the 50. Okay, so that was one way to do it. And you are going to go to your 10s, 5s, and 1s and see if you can make some more number paths today. And I'm going to find a way to share this app with you because it's pretty fun. Pretty fun. All right, you guys, enjoy.